I'm here in Barre, Vermont. There's currently like fucking 2 or 3 feet of snow on the ground. It's hailing out, snowing out, raining out, whatever you want to call it. And it's lightning out. There's a thunderstorm in a hailstorm. I've never seen anything like it. See if we can get it to flash again. How crazy is that? You guys can hear the hail hitting the ground. It's pretty ridiculous. I'm afraid to kind of go out here. I don't really want to get shocked. That gives you a little bit of better effect. Crazy. I don't think I'll go too far off my porch though. My girlfriend's scared. She's inside. I don't know. Probably not too interesting, but I'm gonna post it. See if we can get another lightning flash. Crazy.